Welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. Today, we're diving into a foundational step of any data analysis pipeline, reading and writing data in text format using Python and Pandas. Whether your data is coming from CSV files, JSON APIs, HTML scraped web pages, this video will equip you with essential techniques to handle them. Reading and writing text files with CSV and TXT. Let's begin with the basics, reading data from CSV or text files using Pandas. We use pd.read_CSV or to load comma-separated files directly into a data frame. Import Pandas as pddf equals pd.read_CSV/content/sample_data/california_housing_train.csv print df.head. You can also specify your own column names, treat specific columns as indexes, and handle missing values with parameters like names equals, index_call equals, and na_values equals. To export this data back into a file, df.to_csv, output.csv index equals false. You can change the delimiter using sep equals, or even setna_rep equals annual to mark missing values. Reading text files in pieces, chunking large files. When working with large datasets, reading the entire file can crash your system or take forever. That's where chunk size comes in. Import Pandas as pd-hash. Read CSV in chunks chunkar equals pd.read_content/sample_data/california_housing_train.csv, chunk size equals 1000 hash. Define what to do with each chunk def process. Chunk. Hash example, print the average of the median_house_value, column print. Chunk, median_house_value.mean. Hash. This lets you process your file in manageable pieces, ideal for real-time dashboards or memory-efficient batch jobs. Working with delimited formats, sometimes your data doesn't come neatly separated by commas. It could be separated by pipes, tabs T, or even whitespace. Import Pandas as pd-import CSV hash. Create a sample data.txt file with whitespace separated values with open data.txt w as ff.write. /content/sample_data/california_housing_train.csv. Hash read with Pandas using whitespace as delimiter df equals pt.read_table data.txt sep equals plus. Print Pandas data frame from data.txt and df hash. Create a sample data.csv file using pipe as delimiter with open data.csv w as ff.write /content/sample_data/california_housing_train.csv. Hash read with CSV module using custom delimiter print /content/sample_data/california_housing_train.csv with open data.csv as f reader equals CSV reader f delimiter equals for row in reader print row. This gives you lower level control, especially useful when working with legacy systems. Working with JSON data. Next up is JSON, the go-to format for web APIs and modern data pipelines. You can easily read JSON files or strings using import JSON. Import Pandas as pd-hash from a JSON string, JSON_string equals records. Name Alice, age 25, name Bob, age 30. Hash parse string and convert to data frame data equals JSON.loads, JSON_string. df1 equals pd.dataframe data records print /content/example.json df1. Hash from a JSON file, hash create a sample JSON file df1.to_json example. Hash read it back using Pandas df2 equals pd.read_json example. JSON print /content/example.json df2. Hash write data frame to another JSON file df2.to_json output JSON, orient equals records. Make sure your structure matches the format you expect, whether it's a dictionary, list of records, or nested objects. Reading HTML tables. Web scraping. Want to extract tabular data from websites? You can use pd.read_html hai, which automatically grabs tables from HTML pages using libraries like LXML or Beautiful Soup. #install required dependencies if not already installed. Pip install LXML Beautiful Soup for HTML5 lib #. Now import pandas and use read_HTML. Import pandas as pd. #read tables from a web page. Example.com has no actual table, so replace with a real URL. URL equals https://en.wikipedia.org/wiki/list _of_countries_by_GDP _opening parenthesis nominal closing parenthesis single quote tables equals pd.read_html URL # display the first table df equals tables 0 print df.head. This is powerful for finance, government data, or anything with public HTML tables. That's it. And there you have it, a complete toolkit to read, write, and process data across formats, from CSV to JSON, from HTML tables to feeds. These techniques are the building blocks of modern data analytics. At Neural Tech, we offer industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job-ready skills and real-world results. Visit our website to learn more.